Hi everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's back with another great video on how to create this really cute pumpkin sitter for fall. So this is going to be really quick and easy, just like all of our videos, and everything that you need will be available in the kit when you purchase it at shopdeesloyable.com. So of course you've got your little crocheted pumpkin. These are really pretty. It's got that crocheted stitching covering that pumpkin. You're going to have your cute little sunflower and palm pick, some leaves, this beautiful little stem to give us some height, and of course your ribbon and a piece of wire. So we're going to take our little base. This is what we're going to use to set all our stuff on. If you like to make little sitters and you don't have access to these little wood slices, you can go to the hardware store or a tile store, and you can purchase those little square tiles, and they work great because they're a little bit heavy and they're weighted, and they are a perfect tool to use for making little sitters. So to start out, we're going to start with this beautiful little sunflower piece. You know, I love the picks that have all the different little textures. They're always my favorite. So I'm just going to trim a little bit off the end of this stem. And we're going to put some glue on here and lay this right on our disc. Let that set up. So it'll just take a couple seconds. We'll let that set up there. It's already grabbing a hold. And next we're going to take this beautiful leaf stem that we have. Again, I'm just going to trim a little bit off that end. Make sure I remove all the tags. And you just want to bend this, open it up. As with any pick that you choose, you always want to make sure you bring them to life. And then we're just going to put a little glue on this stem as well. And I'm just going to put that on there right next to my first stem. We're going to let those set up. And then you can go in and bend these leaves around to try to fill in a little bit around on your disc. Just kind of bend and shape. I actually pulled that one little leaf off there. Stand these up. Just kind of perk it up there. Next, we're going to take our pumpkin, and you can use your glue gun or a pot, but we're just going to put a little glue on the bottom of our pumpkin here. And then I'm just going to nestle my pumpkin right on top of those sticks that we just placed. And he's just all nestled right on there. And I kind of let him go at an angle, but you can put him up straight, put him any way you want. That's the beauty of designs. Each one's a little bit different, and you can do it exactly how you would like. So we're going to take this last little stem here. These are not really wired, but they are flexible, so you will be able to bend them and shape them a little bit. So I like to put a little bit of a curve, so it kind of curves this way. I'm going to put a little glue on the bottom of this stem, and we're just going to go right down in here, right alongside that pumpkin, and I kind of let the glue kind of catch on that fabric of that pumpkin to help it hold up straight. And then last but not least, we have this really cute fall plaid ribbon. And I'm just going to make something simple. We're just going to put maybe one loop, and then we'll have a couple of tails here. I think I'm going to make this tail a little bit longer here. I'll let that tail be a little bit longer so it can kind of stick out there. Make our loop. Okay, and then take your wire. Give me a little piece here, and we're just going to wire this right off. And it's cute without the ribbon, but what is fall without some pretty fall ribbon in there? So we're just going to trim these tails here. And then we're just going to go in. You could leave your ribbon long, your wire long, and just wrap that around there. I'm actually just putting a little dot of glue on my bow here. And we're just gonna tuck that right in there, and you can move this around any way that you want. Let that little tail stick up, just to give it a little something. Make sure my flower petals are sticking out here. And how cute is this easy to make pumpkin sitter? Really quick and easy, and you can pick up this kit at shopdeeslouisville.com.